Hey yo squad, I had just completed the PDN fully and then the video gave out. I'm going to go over these questions quickly even though the answers are already there. We're looking at the number 124,900 for our answers 1 through 4. When it asks for the value, we want to know how much that place value is worth. So for the value of 9, it's in the hundreds place, so the value of 9 in the hundreds place is 900. When it asks for the place value, we want to know what place value is that digit in. So we see the 0 digit is in the ones, tens place, so I wrote tens underneath. What's the value of the 4? Well, the 4 is in the thousands place, so 4 in the thousands is worth 4,000. And what is the place value of the 2 digit? Well, it's in the 10,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. For number 5, it asks us to place 2 eighths on the number line. I made 7 lines to make 8 equal parts, and I shaded in 2 because that was my numerator, and I put in 2 eighths underneath. Today, what we're going to be working on is we're going to be continuing to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. When we do that, there are 4 quick steps and easy steps that we can do to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. 1, we look at the denominator in the mixed number. Then we create equivalent fractions to 1 whole using that denominator, and we repeat that for as many times as in the mixed number. And then we add on to the fraction that's left. So here's how we do that with an example right here, number 1. Number 1 is 2 and 1/6. Right, so when I add this on, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to first write my denominator, which is 6. That's my denominator for my fraction. In the mixed number, that's going to be my denominator for the improper fraction. Then I'm going to look at my whole number 2. And I know that a fraction equivalent to 1 whole has the same numerator and denominator. So I'm going to write 6 over 6, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. That's 1 whole. And 6 over 6 here. That's my 2 wholes in my mixed number. Then I'm also going to write 1/6 right here, just like yesterday, since this shape has 6 equal parts and one of them shaded in. Now I will just add my numerators together. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. This fraction, 2 and 1/6, is equivalent to 13/6. Today what we're going to work on is doing that without any pictures or any pictures of shapes. We can do that pretty easily because we have our whole number and our fraction in a mixed number. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my denominator. My denominator is 8. And I'm going to actually then think about, I have 1 whole right here. So I know that 1 whole, when I have a denominator of 8, is just the same number on the bottom and the top. So I'm going to put 8 over 8. That is the same thing as 1 whole. Now I've done that for as many times as I have whole numbers. So I just have to do it 1 time. Then I'm going to put my fraction down here, 7/8. And all I'm going to do, it looks the exact same as my numbers up here. I'm just going to add my numerators together, 8 plus 7. In my improper fraction, I'll keep my denominator the same. In my improper fraction, 8 plus 7 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. So my improper fraction, 1 7/8, is equivalent to 15/8. Looking at example number 2, I have 2 and 5/6. So I know my denominator is in the 6th, or 6 is my denominator, so I'm going to put that down here. That's also going to help me out when I'm looking at my whole. I know that when I'm talking about sixths, the fraction 6/6 is equal to 1 whole. Well, I've done it 1 time, but I actually need to do it 2 times because my whole number in my mixed number is 2. So I'll do it 1, 2, 6 over 6. And then I need to use my fraction to make 5/6. And this still looks just like our example with pictures. I'm just going to add my numerators together. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 5 more is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So my improper fraction, 2 and 5/6, is equivalent to 17/6. Shoot your shot on your own. You got this.